Hey friends, if you wish to change icons in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side and select themes in the right pane. Select desktop icons setting, select change desktop icon. Okay, first of all select the one for which you wish to change it. Okay, click on change icon and you can change it to something else. Let's say this. Click on OK, click on apply and it will be changed. As you can see, the recycle bin icon has been changed to that of a DVD, and you can always restore these if you think that the changes were not worthy, and click on apply, and as you can see, it has changed again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.